Hey y'all, the good folks over at STASUN sent me over a LED floodlight. This is a pretty big one. We're going to get it opened up and get it powered up. See how bright it gets. Stick around. Our LED floodlight user manual. This light does require hard wiring, so we'll have to do a little wiring here, but shouldn't be a big deal. I'm going to put the specs right here so you can read the specs real quick while I'm getting this out of the box. Ooh, that is a big one. Wow. And heavy. Ooh, look at that. That's a big light, y'all. Like I said, you're going to have to hardwire it. It's not a big deal, though. It does come with your tools to get it mounted up. Now that is a lot. Whew. And you can adjust the angle of it right here. Just loosen this off. It does send you the Allen wrenches to loosen that off. And you can adjust it. You want it, you know, whichever way you need it. It'll swivel. It's got the mounting slots right here. You can put bolts in right there. Mount it on the post, wherever you need to mount it. But it's heavy, I will tell you that. So whatever you mount it to, make sure it's pretty solid. I'm going to set this down, I'm going to get it wired up, and then we're going to get it plugged up and see how bright it is. I got it temporarily set up, but I just wanted to show you all. You can adjust this and tilt this light, you know, this way. That light you can tilt the other way, loosen that one. Got some brackets back here you'd have to take loose. A little strip right here, but all kinds of adjustments to make different angles, however you need it. Right now, I've just got it like this. We're going to wait a little bit and light it up. All right, do we have brightness out there or what? I just plugged it in. I haven't seen it yet. Whoo, that's bright. And it is way dark. What do y'all think about that? Well, I don't need extra lights. That is bright. So anyway, if you are looking for a really bright light, you might check this one out. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, sorry, I got my hand up here blocking that light because it's too bright. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order your very own and light up whatever you can light up an arena if you wanted to. Anyway, if you want to get one of these, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order your very own. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate that. Hey, I am an Amazon associate. Man, that's bright. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.